Hi, Powbrace sent me these artificial flowers so that I could try these out and tell you all about them and give you my opinion. I just took them out of the box. They are wrapped in plastic, and each bundle of plastic has 2 bundles of flowers in them. So I want to show you kind of close up. Look how pretty they are. The detail on these flowers with the stamens and the flowers themselves are so pretty. These are UV resistant, and so you can plant these, or not plant, but you can put these in pots outside. Like I said, there's 22 of these bunches, and I'll show you what they look like in the pot. These look so pretty. It turned out really nice. So I've just got, dirt in a pot, and just kind of a, I guess a tip that I've learned about using these is I just filled this with like pieces of foam, and then I did topsoil, not potting soil, but I did topsoil. So it looks like they're planted in dirt, but it's not full of dirt, so it's not super heavy. And you can just pull these out and arrange them however you want. I may play around with this a little bit more, kind of pull the ones in the middle up a little bit, but gosh, that looks so pretty. And also, these have been rained on multiple times and they still look amazing. So I love these, highly recommend these. Thanks again.